A quick update here on Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. I got some messages from traders and they want me to do analysis on these two stocks. I've not done my analysis before, so I'm not sure how this gonna react from the zones. So a quick one here if you are trading this stock. So right here, let's do it for Nifty 50 index. Now at this point, as you can see clearly, a nice uptrend, and if you follow me, you know that we are not gonna fight with the trend unless it bends. As you can see, the price is made all-time high, so there is no other resistance above this area of value. So I won't be selling at this point unless and until we get a good clear signal like a bearish engulfing. I'm not using this resistance as a strong resistance looking at this nice uptrend, but I'm looking at this support zone for another good bounce. Now as long as price is trading above all the EMAs, we are still bullish. I can already see a good bullish signal. Looking at that, I'm now expecting a continuation from this trend. If we have a pullback, we can get a pullback till 50 EMA and then a good bounce. So all I want you to do, just have these zones on your chart, which is a bullish zone 17948 that goes up to 18126.25, from where if we have a good pullback, I'm expecting another good push up from here. Looking at the strong uptrend, a recent resistance is broken. So again, I'm not gonna sell this index. I'm only looking for buying opportunity. We already have this buy signal. I'm expecting a good push up from here. If we have a pullback, 50 EMA is the place from where we can get another good bounce, selling only once the price completely break and close below 50 EMA, and then buy from this green zone which I've just mentioned. Here on Bank Nifty, we have a zone below. Price is now pushing down from the area of value from here and now pushing back down to the zone below, which is 42477, goes up to 43014. This is the trend continuation zone that was recently broken, and now price is pulling back to this area. Once we have a hit of this zone, I'm expecting another push up back to the zone above, which is 44139, goes up to 44333, from where we can get another push down. So I'm now paying attention to the zone below for the possible bounce. Have these zones on your charts to take your trades. For now, I'm expecting a fall to this area and then push up. So that is it for these two stocks. Hope you got a value, and make sure you share this analysis with your friends, and if I get a good response, I'll try to upload analysis on these two stocks on regular basis. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.